What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can add payment method on Bybit P2P. Well, the process for that is pretty simple. For that, you just have to go to your Bybit. So I'm just going to go to Google, search for Bybit, and then simply go to bybit.com. And the bybit.com, what you have to do is you simply have to go to your P2P section. So P2P section is for that, you just have to go to trade, and then in the trade, you will be able to see this, P2P trading. Now, if you go to the P2P trading, you'll be able to find all the P2P things that you want to buy, that you can buy or you can list. So suppose you want to buy USDT, just click on that. And once you click on that, you will be able to see your payment method right here. Currently, it wants me to log in my account. So you just have to quickly log into your account. Once you're logged in, they will want you to verify your ID. Once your ID is verified, you are totally fine with it. You will be able to put your debit or credit card as a payment method right here, or you will be able to make payment using your crypto as well, which is like a crypto exchanging or crypto trading thing, which you can do it right here. As you can see, it is just telling me to verify it. Once it is done, I'll be able to make payment right here. That's pretty much it. That's all I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.